Someone asked a great question on my last meat pie video. Can a mixer help mix the dough for meat pie? Today we're going to test it together. I will show you how to use a mixer to mix and knead the dough, what to watch out for, and whether it actually works as well as mixing by hand. Let's get started with the dough. For this dough, we will use simple ingredients: flour, butter, salt, and cold water, egg, nutmeg, and baking powder.
BeatStars.com.
So if you're using a mixer, the paddle attachment works best for mixing the dough. We're mixing on low speed so the dough doesn't become tough. So if you are a busy parent, I will also show you how you can make a big batch of meat pies and freeze them for later. This question came from one of you in the comments, and I love testing ideas that make cooking easier.
BeatStars.com.
To avoid overmixing, wash the dough closely. Once it starts coming together like this, it's ready. Do you prefer mixing dough by hand or using a mixer? Tell me in the comments section.
BeatStars.com.
Later in the video, we will bake these pies and see how the dough turns out. If you would like to see how I make a big batch of these pies and freeze them for busy days, wait for my next video.
BeatStars.com.
This is the final result from the mixer dough. So the mixer does work for making meat pie dough. So I would say the mixer does the work, especially if you want to save time in the kitchen. Until we meet again, have a great day. Bye.
BeatStars.com.